Hey everybody, Mr. B here and welcome to the Loft. Today I'm going to show you how to do eggs sunny side up. Don't let them intimidate you. A lot of people seem to be a little intimidated by the sunny side up egg. So I'm going to start with 2 free-range organic eggs and crack them into a bowl because of the old proverbial, shell, right? Little salt. We're going to hit that with a little bit of pepper. We're going to let them hang out. I have got a small skillet coming up onto medium to medium low. And I'm going to put about a tablespoon of butter into that. Let that melt. So today I'm going to be actually putting my eggs onto a chopped kale salad. I mixed this up a couple of days ago, so it may not be too camera pretty, but it's delicious as F. I have a video on a chopped kale salad that I will link at the end of the video here, and give it a try. You may think you don't like kale, but if you do it the right way, you'll surprise yourself. In any case, it isn't about kale here. Now that my butter is come on up, right, it's going to start kind of spitting some of that moisture, I'm just going to gently pour my eggs into the skillet. And then I'm going to just give them a slight sort of move around. And we wait. The key here is controlling your heat. If you do this too high, it's a disaster. If you do it too low, obviously the whites are not going to set. I do like a runny yolk, and that's what sunny side up is all about. Slowly give it a kind of a spin like that, because you want the whites to evenly distribute across the surface of the pan so that they can help set. But it also helps to keep it from sticking. Right, I'm going to take the opportunity to pull the heat down just a little. I don't want it to go too fast. And once I get the foundation set here, I'm going to pop a lid on it. Now, why am I doing that? This is going to help the eggs sort of steam. It will also assist with the setting of the white and the yolk. All right, kids, there you have it. I don't know if you can see this, but when you see the white starting to climb onto the yolk, they're done as far as I'm concerned. Now, obviously, if you wanted them a little bit more well done than this, that is your prerogative. So I'm going to take them and I'm going to just spoon it out with all of the delicious pan drippings, that butter, and then I am going to hit this with some black pepper, couple of hits of some good salt, and then what I like to do is take a little bit of Cajun seasoning and just hit it right on that yolk. All right, guys, there you have it. Sunny side up, completely demystified. Click subscribe, come along for the ride, and we're going to see you next time, kids. Okay, what am I doing? We're doing sunny side up eggs in 3, 2,